This is the carrier air handler at my friend's house. First video since the install last month. And I think it has 20 kilowatt electric backup heat. Very quiet. It replaced a Train air handler from 1987. I don't know how many kilowatts the heat in that one was. But yeah, the house was built in like 89. And they used an air handler that they had that was probably just sitting in a Train warehouse somewhere. And it worked perfectly for 23 years. It was still working when they took it out. But because it was R22 refrigerant, they replaced it. And the original heat pump was also a Train, but that died in '98. Now for the heat pump. This is the door they brought the air handler in through when they installed it. Just gotta shut that. It is in the high 80s today. Not as bad as it has been for the past few days, but still pretty hot. Here it is, the Bryant. Just did a little trimming around it. And my friend could not find the hedge trimmer, so I had to get creative with the scissors. I mean, it's not the ideal setup, but it's better than it was. There was already one of these little vine things growing up into there, right there, and I pulled it out. If you remember, when I took apart the Train, I found these I don't know what the hell kind of plant this is, but it was growing all the way up into the heat pump, and it wrapped itself around the reversing valve and into the condenser fins. I don't think that's directly responsible for the thing dying, but probably didn't help. So yeah, as far as I can tell, this thing is obstruction free. Not even anything in the base pan yet. There is the anti-woodpecker device. they had a brand new disconnect box ready to install. It was a Siemens, I think, and I don't know, for some reason they just left the original disconnect box, probably because there was like nothing wrong with it. Seems to be working fine. I don't know what brand this one is. ITE enclosed switch. And let's see what kind of temperature this thing is keeping. There is the septic tank. My friend kind of lives out in the boonies, so it's private well and a septic tank as opposed to public utilities. Okay, here is the thermostat. Let me try to get it to light up here. Here we go. It is set to 74, and it looks like it is actually at the set temperature right now, and it is 85 degrees outside. Can't see that very well, but it says 85 degrees outside. And the fan is set to low, so even when the heat pump turns off, it the fan continues blowing air into the house, and it's refreshing to hold your hand in front of the vent when you're feeling a little hot. So yeah, the house is very comfortable right now. There is more I still do not know how to work this thermostat, so I'm not going to screw with it. My friend's mom actually gave me the instruction manual to figure it out, but don't know where that is right now. So I have permission to adjust the heat pump to make it turn on and off for my videos, but I don't want to screw with it. And you can still see the imprint from the other thermostat. Out.